Something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. But we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. I want you around. Around.
Okay, y'all, and this gonna be the back. I'm gonna put more stars on it, and they gonna have stars hanging all the way down. Stars and snowflakes. I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna put these on here. I'm gonna put stars, and the stars gonna hang down. That's the back of the sweater. All right. I'll show y'all when I'm done. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna show y'all my whole outfit because I'm gonna design this too. And it's gonna match my boots. And that's gonna be my outfit for free. I'll pick y'all back up when I'm dressed. Toodles. I'm wearing some makeup. Look, I ain't getting caught out there today. I'm not getting caught out there today. Look, they playing games. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. I'm getting outside this weekend. I've been in all week. I've been good. Well, not in, but I've been in. So, guess what I'm going to do, y'all? You know, I'm always good for showing y'all something. Look what I'm about to do. I'm about to make me an ugly sweater because I'm getting ready to go to the D9 Panhandle Ugly Sweater happy hour today. And I'm not buying a sweater. I'm going to make my sweater. So I'll pick y'all back up after I'm done. Actually, I'll take y'all through the process with me, and then we'll see how it turns out. Remember, my theme color for any event I go to is going to be like red and white. So I get to wear my red and white today. Okay. I'll pick y'all back up when I get started. Okay, so I'm gonna put these socks on. I'm gonna put these socks on around my pants. So let's do this. Let's put this on. that there. Let's put that there. That's there. Let's put that there. And then, so that's going to be like that. Can you see? And that's the sleeve. That's the top. And then on the back is going to look like this.